Hello and welcome to another update video about Optimism. Optimism so far did hold the support areas, the trend reversal areas, and at the moment, as long as we hold the $2.2 level, I would still expect further price increases into the $4 region in a fifth wave. Now, it's not the most, I'm not too confident about this count, but it is certainly a valid one. I think we have better setups out there. I think I talked about that before. And for me, most important is that it's holding now this support range. So in the last video, we looked at this yellow support area here, down to $2.02. It did hold that support, so it's basically ready for a breakout to the upside. Within this third wave in yellow, we had another small setup, which I showed you in the last video, obviously, here, this orange support area. And the idea was it should not drop below $2.08, and then we can break out higher. It didn't drop below $2.08, so it turned around also in this orange support area. I'm not going to take it out because it's not too relevant anymore. I think we just use the yellow one because against $2.02 we can focus on higher. But I don't particularly like the structure that's evolving here. It looks to me as if we are not yet in the third wave because this is just choppy sideways action. I wouldn't be surprised if it resets the wave 2 here lower, or if we are even still in this larger fourth wave. So for me, there are two key levels here on the Optimism chart. First of all, it's the $2.02 level. As long as that's holding, a direct breakout in a third wave is likely. If we drop below that level, we come back to 167. That's sort of the last bullish support this chart can offer before we break down much lower. So then we talk about maybe $1 or so. So ideally, as long as we're holding $2.02, direct breakout into the $4 region is possible. But I can only highlight here, I don't like the structure that's evolving here. This sort of messy overlapping sideways action. It normally doesn't suggest we're already in the third wave. So that's just something to highlight, because what could be happening is that the move down was just an A wave. This is an overshooting B wave, and we come down once more in C. But then we should hold $2.02. If we don't, next support will be 187 and then 167. But 167, as I said, it's the last bullish support we really have left here. And eventually what we're looking for in that fifth wave is actually quite an extension the way this is going. We look for a wave 1 to the upside already done, wave 2 already done, now the third wave, then a fourth, then a fifth, and that would finish off everything. But this would only finish off a larger third wave, another fourth, and a fifth. Now, I'm not too sure if we get this last one, but either way, at the moment the focus is still on higher, but it's a messy structure. Also from its proportions, this is not really working out too much. I might have to change things a little bit if we cannot, depending on what we do. I mean, again, the 167 level for me is still very relevant. If we push higher and we see it's much more bullish, then I might have to change the view. The alternative would be, so this is one scenario, obviously. The alternative would be that wave 4 ended somewhere here, and that this was a wave 5, but it's not a very clear 5-wave move up. And then we had an A wave down, B wave up, C wave down in a wave 2, and then we take it from there. But it doesn't really make a difference in the short term, so I just leave it for now as it is. Trend is still up, but there are better setups in my opinion. But Optimism can be very volatile. It can be very volatile, so things can move very quickly. I mean, it's certainly showing some potential right now with that green candle there, but key resistance or breakout point here is this 50% retracement, 237. So a break above that could really take us quite quickly higher, in my opinion. But for now, there is no signal it's doing that, but it's pushing against that ceiling. So let's see. The thing is, it's forming something that you could call possibly an ascending triangle. So you've got your horizontal resistance here, and then we've got this ascending, sort of trend line. So ascending triangle. But let's see, what is more important than these patterns are the fib levels are very important. So that's sort of best I can tell at the moment about Optimism. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.